Here we go. And I didn't throw my back out either.
Small amount. The fluid is going in. There should be a millimetre or two. But I'll stutter it goes.
Overdo it, because once you're taking the really. There we go.
Will go in between the screw. Makes it kind of a bit. There we go. Make sure that you're going to pull this system up. While at the same time, over the next part, under the spoke. We are job done, and we'll see you next time.